short tutorial, I'm going to explain to you how to change text and headlines in the Contao CMS system. After you've logged in, you'll see a page like this. Now let's have a look at the website that we're going to edit. Here on the home page we have some text and headlines, and I'll show you how to edit this in real time. So switch to our CMS. Click on articles and we'll see all of the pages and articles within our website. Now we want to edit the homepage content, which is the pencil icon next to home just here. So we click on the pencil and we see the elements of our text listed here. So we, for example, can edit the headline here, welcome to Bridge Dental. Welcome to Bridge Dental, so that's this element here. Click on the pencil and let's change that to let's change that. Click on save. And then if we go to our website, click on the refresh button, and we can see that our headline has changed there in real time. So we'll just quickly remove that edit. So there you go, and this time we'll hit save and close to take us back to the menu. Save and close, back to our article, and just to check that has been removed. Refresh the page, and there we go. It's back to as it was. And we can edit any of the text here. So click the pencil, brings us to our edit page. You can see here, look, text in the left column, change that here, text in the right column, change that over here. Make any changes that we need. Click save, view our website, or if you want to return to the previous page, we can click save and close. So that's it. That is how simple it is to change text and headlines in the Contao CMS system. Thanks for listening.